10 commonly misused foods. Garlic. Misuse. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping. Correct use. After chopping or crushing garlic, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. This waiting period allows the formation of allicin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Cooking too soon destroys the enzymes responsible for allicin production, improves heart health, boosts immunity, and has anti-cancer properties. Tomatoes. Misuse. Eating raw tomatoes exclusively. Correct use. Cook tomatoes to release lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked with a little oil. Reduces the risk of prostate cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Spinach. Misuse. Boiling spinach in large amounts of water. Correct use. Lightly steam or sauté spinach to preserve its nutrients. Boiling can leach water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and folate. Supports bone health, reduces oxidative stress, and improves iron absorption. Potatoes. Misuse. Frying potatoes or consuming them with excessive salt. Correct use. Bake or boil potatoes with the skin on. The skin contains fiber and nutrients like potassium, while frying adds unhealthy fats. Helps regulate blood pressure and supports digestion. Turmeric. Misuse. Consuming turmeric without a fat source or black pepper. Correct use. Combine turmeric with black pepper and a fat source like olive oil or coconut oil. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2000%, reduces inflammation, improves brain health, and supports joint health. Yogurt. Misuse. Buying flavored or sweetened yogurt. Correct use. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add fresh fruits for flavor. Flavored yogurts are often high in added sugars, which can negate the probiotic benefits. Promotes gut health, strengthens the immune system, and supports weight management. Nuts. Misuse. Eating raw nuts without soaking or roasting. Correct use. Soak nuts overnight or lightly roast them. Soaking reduces phytic acid, which can inhibit mineral absorption. Roasting enhances flavor and digestibility, provides healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Honey. Misuse. Adding honey to boiling water or tea. Correct use. Add honey to warm, not boiling liquids. High heat destroys honey's enzymes and antioxidants. Acts as a natural antibacterial agent, soothes the throat, and provides a quick energy boost. Rice. Misuse. Cooking rice without rinsing or using too much water. Correct use. Rinse rice thoroughly and use the correct water ratio. Rinsing removes excess starch, which can make rice sticky and harder to digest. Using the right water ratio preserves nutrients, provides sustained energy, and supports gut health. Tea. Misuse. Drinking tea immediately after meals. Correct use. Wait at least 30 minutes after a meal before drinking tea. Tea contains tannins, which can inhibit iron absorption from plant-based foods. Improves focus, reduces stress, and provides antioxidants. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh foods retain more nutrients than processed or packaged alternatives. Opt for steaming, baking, or sautéing instead of frying. Combine foods strategically. Pairing certain foods can enhance nutrient absorption, e.g., vitamin C with iron-rich foods. By making these small adjustments in how you prepare and consume these foods, you can significantly improve their health benefits. Start incorporating these tips today for a healthier, more nutritious diet. Today we talked about common mistakes in using everyday foods and how to use them correctly for better health. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more. Wishing you a healthy and wonderful day.